friends, welcome back. This video is all about this product, Halonix Prime Prism app-based LED, millions of colors. Well, it's a 10 watt LED bulb and is app-based, that is, it is controlled with an app that you have to download from your Google Play Store. For that, you have to have a smartphone, as of course. Also via the app, you pair with your bulb by connecting it with your Bluetooth. Therefore, Bluetooth pairing of the bulb is mandatory. And so as you can see, this bulb, this bulb is a Bluetooth enabled app based bulb. This particular bulb also comes as Wi-Fi enabled one. That is, you can control this bulb with Alexa or any other Google Home Assistant gadgets that you have. Those who don't have internet or Wi-Fi router facilities as such, this particular gadget is for those. Well, I'll give the online purchasing link of both the products, the Bluetooth one as well as the Wi-Fi enabled one. Well, regarding the price, I bought this product offline, and it cost me about rupees 750, whereas the actual MRP, as you can see, is 999. Well, not wasting much time, I'll just open the box. Okay, so this is the bulb. I'll just simply plug it. There you go. Along with the box, they provide you with the user manual. There's a Bluetooth app operating manual. Now I will show you how to operate this bulb with your phone. Okay, so first you have to go to Play Store, and there you type Halonix BT. Okay, so since I've already installed the app in my phone, so I'll just simply open it. But before opening it, I'll just turn on the bulb. So after turning on the bulb, you get this brightness. So I'll just open the app from here. It's asking me to turn on Bluetooth, so I'll just press yes. It's asking me to access this device location. I'll simply press allow. Okay, so now you get this screen. You have to input three things: your country or region, phone number or email, and your password. So I'll just take a couple of seconds. Okay, now it's searching for the device. It says found device. Okay, so now it's pairing. So it's paired. So you get here the icon named Prism 001. Okay, so I'll press back. So this is the screen where you get to see all your devices. So I just have only one bulb, so I'm getting here to see this button over here that's named as Prism 001. This shows the status of your bulb, that is it is on. Okay, so I'll just press this button. You see the bulb turned off. So now the status shows that the bulb is off. So I'll just press this button again. So you see the bulb is on. I'll just press it again. You see it's off again. So talking about the communication, there is absolutely no delay. As soon as you press the bulb, as soon as you press the button, the bulb operates. So this is very cool. So I'll just open the to turn on the bulb. So I'll just long press this icon, and what you get to see is this menu. Here you get the color palette, and you can adjust the brightness. Also they have given you some selective colors. Okay, so I'll show you red, orange, yellow. Okay, so I'll just show you the brightness. You can increase or decrease the brightness. If you don't like any of these colors, you can select from here. So you see, anywhere you touch, the color changes fast. There is no delay as such. So I'll show you the white gradient. So this is the lumen. So 2700K first, going to 3500K, 4000K, 4500K, 5000K, 5500, 6500. So this is the last. So also here you can adjust the brightness. You can also select the white gradient from here also, from this color palette. So it's very cool. So okay, going to the this is the imbue menu, and going to the discover. Here you get to see all the features that is provided with the bulb. So I'll just go to scenes first. This is a rainbow breath. Okay, here you get to see the 7 colors of the rainbow in this bulb, changing one after the another. Okay, so going to heartbeat. Of course, this is needless to say. Okay, so this is the green breath. The green light is fading. Same goes with the blue breath. Okay, so now the alarm. Okay, so now flash. So you get some colors flashing continuously. Okay, breathings. So the red, green, blue and pink, these colors change alternately. They are fading. Okay, so this is a green mood. This is kind of a green gradient, and this is the sunset function. This is what you get to see during sunset. The sky turns from white to yellow. What you see during sunset, this follows that only. Okay, so back. I'll just camera pick. It's asking me access to take pictures or and record video. Let's play allow. Well, in this camera pick option, you get to see the pointer here. You position the pointer on any object, and whatever the color of the object is, the color of the bulb will change accordingly. Here you see the pointer is on the blue color, so the bulb color is blue. If I shift it to like white, the color will change to white, or like red, the color will change to red. Okay, so accordingly the bulb color changes on whatever color the pointer is presently. The same goes with this photo button that you see here. You can like change the bulb color from any picture you have in your phone gallery, and this camera button is also same likewise. Okay, so I'll go back. I'll come to the rhythmic function later. Okay, so let's come to shake and dance. It says shake to change color. So every time you shake, the bulb color changes. Okay, so now dance. Color as you move. So as you move your phone, every time you move your phone, the color of the bulb changes automatically. So I'll just press back. Okay, now coming to bubble shooter. Okay, so you see there's a monkey over here, and below you get to see color balloons. So you have to press the color balloon and hit the monkey. So accordingly your bulb color also changes. Suppose you don't like this color, you remove it. You like the green color, hit the monkey, the color changes to green. So I'll just press back. Okay, so learn color function. Flower is pink, so this is for kids naturally. So the flower is pink, the bulb color is pink. I'll just press next. Purple it says, cyan it says. So this is how you learn color. Of course this function is really kiddish type for kids generally. Anyways, this is the scheduler function. Okay, so you have to add your schedule over here. So this is the plus, this is where you add your schedule. Okay, so this is the menu where you edit your scheduler. This is the time, PM and all, and this is the frequency you want this to remain. The way you want the feature to execute, so you just press events. So whatever you saw till now, like rainbow breath, heartbeat, green breath, blue breath, alarm, flash, breathings, green mode, sunset and all, any mode you select, the bulb will flash accordingly. So I just press cancel, just press back. Okay, so now going to circadian rhythm. Well, just before that, I'll just decrease the brightness to 0. Okay, so now I'll just go to circadian rhythm. Okay, I'll show you the day rhythm. The starting time I'll choose 7:06. I'll choose the duration for 1 minute. Save. Okay, so now let's wait for 1 minute and see what happens. So it has already started. What you are getting to see is the brightness of the bulb is increasing slowly. This is what you get to see during sunrise. So for 1 minute this will happen. The bulb will get brighter and brighter. Okay, so now I'll just go back and show you the rhythmic function. So it's asking access to photos, media and files on your device. Just press allow. To record audio, yes. Okay, so now I'll just go to the rhythmic function at last.
मुझको कहते सारे सबकी जिनके ताने सुन के मुझको मैंने दी है मोटिवेशन, वो किसी कंप्यूटर के सामने कर रहे हैं कैलकुलेशन, शाम को घर लाते बेसन आलू टमाटर के सन इंस्पिरेशन अपना मैंने अपने आप को बनाया 40.
Okay, so I'll just change another music. Okay, so in this you get to see the light of the bulb flashing with the rhythm of the music that you play. Well, you get to see the mic option available here. So you get to see the flashing of the bulb when the mic receives the sound when you say anything, as you can see, but the sensitivity is not that good. It responds a little late. Well, that's all about the product. Very kind of cool product it is. You can give it a try purchasing it. Hope you will like it too. Well, that's all for now. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and of course do share it with your friends. We'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.